Good afternoon, friends. Since it is the beginning of winter, I would like to suggest a very nice cough syrup that has homeopathy medicines in it, and that is Tulsi Vasaka. It's an excellent cough syrup and can be used in cases of cold, cough, sore throat, allergic cough, that which is dry, or even wet cough with expectoration. In cases of asthmatic cough, when cough is associated with breathing issues, this is an excellent cough syrup. All the contents are homeopathic and these are totally safe. It can be used in small children as well as old age also. So stay safe, choose homeopathy. Bye.